Hey YouTube, Tony Williams with Inaxsys, here to show you how to set up push notifications on the Legend mobile app. Let's go. So here we are in the Legend mobile app, and I am going to show you how to set up push notifications. Okay, so I'm just in live view right now. I'm just going to click on the little hamburger menu here, and I am going to head over to alarm notifications. Okay, so this part of the app is where you can see all the different events coming in, right? And in here you got a pretty extensive filtering section, so you can pick, the types of events you want to see within the sort of audit trail there. You can pick different dates, etc. Okay, but what I want to show you mainly is how to allow notifications. Okay, so down here at the bottom you see this little button that strangely enough says allow notifications. So we simply click that, and then you could see here that through my mobile app I'm actually connected to 3 different units. So I'm just going to show you that if I click on this one here, the next thing you want to look at is the advanced settings at the bottom. So if I click advanced settings and go into that unit, now I can actually specify which cameras that I want to receive notifications on, and click on type, and here I can say whether I want to get motion events, analytic events, alarm inputs, etc. So you can actually narrow it down to individual cameras and the type of event that you would like to get push notifications for. So once I've picked all those, I click save, and I'm actually just going to turn on a couple of other units that I've got connected here, and now we should start to see at some point some alarm notifications coming in. But that's it. That's all there is to setting up alarm notifications to be received on your phone. This is an Apple device. We will try to do a video at some point in the near future on Android, so stay tuned for that. Thank you. So now we've learned how to set up push notifications on your mobile device, namely iOS or iPhones. If you have any questions on this, just remember to leave a comment down below. We will answer these right away. And also like and subscribe to our awesome YouTube channel, because we're really putting a lot of effort into that, cranking out lots of great videos and tutorials, okay? Inaxsys, if you haven't heard me say it before, we are a full basket manufacturer and distributor of all different, security products: access control, video surveillance, intrusion, custom built servers for all your access control video needs, PoE switches, power supplies, you name it. We got it all, man, we got it all. And we are here to help you put together your bill of materials, help you quote it, help you configure, design your system, do demos for your customers, and help you close that project. Thanks and have a great day.